Hey guys, you wanna know why I'm going so fast? I have roller skates on, and I'm going outside with my mom. Or is it cold outside? Okay. So, I'm here around here and going around in circles and stuff. And I don't know why it's so dark. And I'm kind of hungry right now. I'm gonna get a snack to chew on. I know we all chew, but we are going to get a snack. I'm gonna have my roller skates on, and cake. I just found cake from my cousin's birthday party. I like it. I ate it at Little Loy's house. Did I make a video of Little Loy's house? Well, I think I did. And I was at there, somewhere around there. Yeah. I think I had made a video of and they have a fun house. But fun house. They have a fun kid. Guys, have I ever told you this? My sister is really mean. I don't know why. She's is. She's evil. She's evil. Yeah, she's evil. And I can't believe she doesn't love me. She does not at all. Still on my roller skates. This is my mom's sticking on this piece of it right now. So, guys, it's January, and it's Monday. My dad just went home. It was sad, I cried. Like a little girl, but I'm so big. Girl. This cake is so good. I think I'm going to the living room with it. I'm taking this. Yeah. Sure. Bye-bye. So, we're going to the chair. Guys, but it's almost time for me. It's almost time for me. It's almost time for me to go to. It's almost time for me. I get to get a toy for somebody. So I kit video there. So bye.